Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I show you how to sync LinkedIn messages to HubSpot in just one click. Of course, how to view them inside the spot, and the best of it, how to leverage this LinkedIn conversation inside HubSpot by building reports, lists, and even triggering workflows based on this data. So come with me and let's dive in. First thing first, before syncing LinkedIn messages, make sure you downloaded our HubSpot LinkedIn Chrome extension by visiting our website hubly.io and connect it to HubSpot. Once that's done, head to LinkedIn. You'll now see our Hubly widget on any profile and on the chat window. Before syncing any conversation, you have to make sure that the contact is inside HubSpot. If you open the conversation and the contact is not inside your HubSpot, you will see the create contact window. So click on it and now you have it inside HubSpot. Now everything is set up. So let's look at how syncing LinkedIn messages to HubSpot works. Once your contact is added to HubSpot, Hubly will automatically scan for the past messages and import them inside HubSpot. And every new message you send or your prospect is sending to you, it will automatically load inside HubSpot. So really easy. And now let's see how it looks. As you can see, this contact is already part of my CRM. So I send them a quick message on LinkedIn. Hubly instantly sync the conversation in the background. So if I go to HubSpot and open the contact record, you can see the LinkedIn messages already logged on the timeline, right next to the emails, calls, or notes, giving you the full picture of your interactions. And if you don't see them right away, no worries. Simply adjust your activity filters and make sure LinkedIn is selected. That way, all your LinkedIn conversation will stay visible. Now that your LinkedIn messages are in HubSpot, you can do much more than just reading them, of course. You can actually use them to build dashboards and track your LinkedIn strategy directly inside HubSpot. For example, with Hubly, we create two main properties that we update on a daily basis, which are last LinkedIn message sent date and last LinkedIn message reply date. With these properties, you can know when you last reach out to the prospect, when they reply to you. And from there, you can build a targeted list or trigger any workflow based on this data to make sure you always follow up at the right time and never miss an opportunity. If you'd like to dive deeper in this and see how to build complete dashboards around LinkedIn data, I've made another video where I explain the creation process step by step. You can find that inside the description of the video. And that's it. You now know how to sync LinkedIn messages to HubSpot with Hubly. So go ahead and try it yourself by downloading the HubSpot LinkedIn Chrome extension from our website. And if you found this video really useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to make sure that you receive all new HubSpot tutorials I make, and see you to the next video.